What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video is brought to you by my friends at Maker's Garage, makersgarage.com. Stop by and check them out. Now, as you can see, I'm driving. Going to flip the camera around. This is the road I got stuck on the other day. If you caught the video from the upload from last Friday, I could not make it up this hill. So far, we're doing good. We're headed to the top. We're almost to the top. We're getting there. Oh my hell, we're almost there. And look at that. We freaking made it. So just to be clear, it is absolutely just freaking amazing that I can even get out of my neighborhood, let alone actually go to the store and get food. So this is a huge plus, but the problem is the beater only spins one tire and it's got, you know, summer tires on it. So as long as I'm moving, it's good, but if I come to a stop, I'm pretty much screwed. So unfortunately, I just don't think donuts are gonna happen unless I take like a chase vehicle with me to get me out. So I don't know if you can actually tell how treacherous these roads are, but there's still ice underneath them from last week, and it snowed twice on top of them. So when you've got a little bit of snow on top of the ice, you can get a grip. I mean, we're heading up the hill right now, so it's good. But like I was saying, the beater is super light. You know, it's just a little V6 Mustang, and it only spins one wheel, and it's got, like, you know, the summer tires on it, and it has no chance. The wife's GT does a little better because it's got traction control and of course posi and all that, which is standard fare for a GT. But anyway, enough about the weather. I do have some coyote updates real quick. Parts are rolling in. I did get one very large box yesterday, which you will be able to see tomorrow. The reason I'm not bringing it to you today is because my UPS driver said they are not one, not two, but 3 days behind due to the weather, because there's no plows around here and they don't know how to salt or prepare or anything else because it's the South. So there will be an update for that coming. At this point, I'm just trying to make it back to the driveway, and we can finish this vlog. So luckily I did make it back to the driveway, barely. What an absolute mess. I'm really waiting, just like hoping, you know, that Thursday or Friday all this stuff will melt and it'll be gone. However, I do have some buddies that have been sending me some epic content. They had a little better luck in the snow than I did, and so I wanted you to check these out because these are absolutely freaking epic. And without further ado, this is my buddy Josh Huffhines. He's got a LTD wagon. I think it's like a 83, 84, but it's got all Mustang GT drivetrain in it, carb 302 with some bolt-ons, T5, all that. But anyway, he does a little drifting. So roll that tape. Yes, I must admit, Josh, you give the term snowdrift a whole new meaning. Double thumbs up for that. However, that's not all I've got for you. While Josh was out there doing his snow antics, apparently a local construction worker in a little Dodge Dakota kind of rolled up on the scene. You know, he looked like he was having fun, so he decided to join in, and they proceeded to do the snow waltz in fine something or other fashion. But anyway, let's roll that tape. I admit, I absolutely freaking died laughing watching that as they kind of just went round and round like... Okay, yes, maybe I'm easily abused. Probably because I have cabin fever from sitting in this freaking house since Friday. I'm telling you, I need to get out. I need to, like, do some work on the coyote. I need to just stand outside for a little while without getting frostbite. Anyway, I actually do have a little more content. My good buddy Rob Ruska, Fox Body Rob, he did a little antics too. And I knew something coming. I knew something was good coming when I got a message from Rob this morning that said, hey, it's snowing. And I'm just like I know Rob. You know, Rob was the one that was doing the crazy freaking burnouts at Mustang Week at the retro party. And so I just knew as soon as I got that message, he was going to be doing something. And he proceeded to lay this video on me. Rob actually got any traction to do that. He's riding on these huge like Nitto Invo 18-inch, I don't even know how wide, probably like 295s or something. The car is a stick shift and has a built 347 in it, so I don't actually know how he got any traction. Maybe they didn't have the ice underneath it because I couldn't get any. But Rob, you definitely get 2 thumbs up because that was some epic stuff. And I have actually tried, I swear to God, 3 different times to get this car out and get you some donuts in it, but every single time I've gotten stuck, and it's like this long ordeal trying to get the car unstuck. So I've totally failed in my duties, and for that, I apologize. So when you're a car guy and winter strikes and the snow's here, sometimes you just got to make the best of it. Yes, winter sucks, but I mean, look, you could be like my neighbor, and your car could be sitting in a ditch on the side of the road for, I think it was there since Friday. But yeah, it's been kind of rough. But you know what? When life gives you lemons, you just make lemonade. That's the dumbest thing I've ever said in my entire life. Please forgive me. Anyway, guys, I do have coyote updates for you, like I said, so I'll have those for you tomorrow. Some awesome large parts boxes. More pieces to the puzzle. But for today, I had to do the snow antics because I've got cabin fever. I'm sick of sitting around this house, and I just really want it all to melt. So please give me a big thumbs up for the snow antics. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will see everyone tomorrow with an unboxing. Later, guys.